Turkey has several interesting military aircraft and drones currently under development which are expected to make their maiden flights in the coming year, the country's centenary anniversary. In November, a video showed an early prototype of the TFX forming on the assembly line. Turkey is reportedly aiming to launch it on March 18, 2023, which analysts say may be too ambitious a timeline. But the most advanced aircraft so far being developed in Turkey, the Turkish aerospace industry TFX national fighter jet, will not grace the Turkish skies during the centenary ceremony as previously expected. Turkish officials have high hopes that the TFX can fly in 2023 in time for the centenary anniversary. In November 2017, Turkish Defense Minister Nurettin Caikli claimed the plane would be operational by 2023. "I will not give an exact date, but our main goal is to have it fly by 2023, he said. In addition, Ankara is likely to sacrifice the aircraft's stealth features in order to start serial production on time. As a result, the first version will be a highly advanced 4 and 5 generation aircraft, not entirely dissimilar to the Block 1 variant of the KF-21 Brahmi fighter currently being developed in South Korea. On the other hand, we are likely to see some other Turkish planes and drones flying for the first time in 2023. The Bayraktar Kizil Elma jet-powered prototype completed taxi trials and took off in November 2022. Its maiden flight is likely to start in early 2023. Kizil Elma is Turkey's first jet-powered drone. Baykar claims it will be a force to be reckoned with, especially given its aggressive maneuverability and stealth against radar capabilities. As well as having a canard delta configuration resembling China's J-20 Mighty Dragon stealth fighter, the Kizil Elma is also equipped with an internal weapons bay and can even fire air-to-air missiles, potentially offering cover against enemy drones or helicopters. Baykar also claims the Kizil Elma will be equipped with a home-built active electronically scanned array radar and will be able to take off and land on short runway aircraft carriers like Turkey's upcoming TCG Anadolu amphibious assault ship.